area. I know, Chuck, how much you like that. As we take a look at the Catalinas from our Storm Tracker 4 Skycam network. That view from River and La Cholla, boy, that just looks grand tonight, doesn't it? We've got some action.
Yes, we do. A severe thunderstorm. No reports of damage so far. The warning has expired, Sean, but it's for the northeast quadrant of the city. It's kind of spreading toward the Oro Valley now. I'll show you that on radar.
Okay? All right,
let's get into it. Here is that line of storms once again coming at us from the northeast like they did last night. These very often will contain very gusty wind. Today we've increased the humidity enough that we're also seeing some torrential rainfall out of this. So park your car outside if you need it washed. Let's zoom in to street level mapping for you, and I'll show you where we are. We are over the east and northeast corner of the city. And as I said, it's kind of building out of the Catalinas, may affect Oro Valley in the next hour if this all holds together. But you can see Catalina Highway, Sabino Canyon, even River Road out at the end of River Road on the east side of the city, starting to pick up some of the wind and the action from it. Then at Corona de Tucson, which is, if you're not familiar with Corona de Tucson, the south part of Houghton Road, south of Interstate 10, and then around Elgin and Sonoyta, monstrous thunderstorms. I showed you that in motion in a moment. The motion is generally from northeast to southwest. Extreme heat warning in effect. We made it up to 108 today, and we may do it again tomorrow, 107 to 111. So another Storm Tracker 4 alert day for you for tomorrow afternoon. This is an even better picture. We're looking from the Tucson Mountains out at Reddington Pass, and there you can see just how dark it is. It's starting to slip out of the mountains now. We've dropped a degree down to 107 degrees, 94 in Midtown from the rain-cooled air, and 89 on the east side. See what a thunderstorm can do. Down in Cochise County, we are cooler on the northeast side of the city than you are today, so that's some good news for us. We need it after 108-degree temperatures. Overnight tonight, dropping off into the 90s by about 8 o'clock. And then by midnight, 89 degrees. You'll wake up with 80-degree temperatures. These are those highs I was telling you about. They're fresh off the press. 90 was the high in Flagstaff today. It was a hot one in Arizona. Our next weather maker is our monsoon high. As it makes its way into the Four Corners region over the weekend, it will act like a vacuum, just pulling up tropical moisture. And the weekend looks very active to me. This is now. This is Friday, or Thursday, I should say, Thursday afternoon. I've put a pause point in here for you. Cochise County under the gun with some scattered storms, but Metro Tucson, the models aren't too excited about it tomorrow. How about Saturday and Sunday? There's Saturday, and here is Sunday. Plenty of storm coverage. We can't tell you exactly where they're going to be, but we will see thunderstorms this weekend, so be monsoon aware as we get into Saturday and Sunday. For Thursday for you, focusing on that, our MPI Monsoon Prediction Index goes up on a scale of 0 to 10. It will be a 4 in Nogales, but only a 1 for us. We should have a slight bit of a lull tomorrow afternoon compared to what we've seen today. Tomorrow, 107 on the east side. 106 at Tucson Estates. Hot, but maybe a degree or two cooler than we were today. 101 in Douglas, 95 tomorrow in Bisbee after morning lows in Cochise County in the beautiful range in the low 70s while we're staying in the 80s here in the city. 10% shot Thursday and Friday. There's that surge of moisture Saturday and Sunday and Monday. And then the monsoon continues to produce thunderstorms for us all the way through the work week next week, Sean. So we'll watch these storms and track them for you and have the latest coming up at 6.
Yeah, somewhere in there it looks like a lot of rain.
Yeah.
Thanks, Chuck. As we step outside, that is a live look from the pool at Westin La Paloma. And that view from our Storm Tracker 4 Skycam network. Not a lot of people at the pool, which is a little surprising. They're probably looking at the mountains, Chuck. I wonder if there's any lightning up there. But right now is the time to sign up for our SwimFest events during our 17th annual News 4 Tucson Lifesaver campaign. We only have